So welcome aspirants, welcome back to my channel APSC tutorials. So today we'll discuss about the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire starts from 1526 to 1707. So these are the list of emperors, Mughal emperors, starting from Babur. So starting from Babur from 1526 to 1530. Then the next emperor is Humayun, 1530 to 1540, and then 1555 to 1556. The next emperor is the Great Akbar from 1556 to 1605. Next one is Jahangir from 1605 to 1627. Next emperor is Shah Jahan from 1627 to 1658. Then we have Aurangzeb from 1658 to 1707. So if you see the details of Babur, the Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur was born on 14 February 1483. He founded the Mughal Empire after his victories at the Battle of Panipat in 1526 and the Battle of Khanwa. So he was a direct descendant of Timur. Then after Babur fell seriously ill, Humayun, his eldest son, was summoned from his Jagir. In the year 1530, Babur died. So the Battle of Khanwa was fought near the village of Khanwa, about 60 km west of Agra, in the year 1527. So it was the second major battle fought in modern day India by the first Mughal emperor Babur after the Battle of Panipat. So we have the next emperor, Humayun. It is a pictorial representation of the emperor Humayun. Then this is Babur celebrates the birth of Humayun in the Chahar Bagh Mahal, Kabul. So Humayun with his father Babur, Humayun succeeded his father in the year 1531. So Humayun reunited with Akbar. Sher III defeated Humayun at Chausa in 1539 and at Kanauj in the year 1540, expelling him from India. While wandering from one place to another, his son Akbar was born at Umrakot in the year 1542. So this is the Humayun's tomb in Delhi. The next emperor is Akbar. He was born in the year 1542. He was one of the greatest rulers of Mughal dynasties. So the Mughal Emperor Akbar shoots the Rajput warrior Jaimal during the siege of Chittorgarh in the year 1567. So this is a pictorial representation of that battle. So this is the Akbar's tomb. The many architectural masterpieces were built at his time: Agra Fort 1565, Lahore Palace 1572, Fatehpur Sikri, Buland Darwaza, and Allahabad Fort. The next emperor is Jahangir. Nuruddin Muhammad Salim, known by his imperial name Jahangir, was born on 13 August 1569. He was the fourth Mughal emperor. Jahangir was the eldest surviving son of Mughal Emperor Akbar and was declared successor to his father from an early age. A celebration at the occasion of Jahangir in the year 1600, when Akbar was away from the capital on an expedition. Noor Jahan occupies an important place in the history of Jahangir. He was the widow of a rebel officer, Sher Afghan of Mughals. Shah Jahan, the next emperor of Mughal dynasty, Shahabuddin Muhammad Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was born in the year 1594. He was the fifth Mughal emperor. Shah Jahan has left behind an extraordinary architectural legacy. It was at his command that the Taj Mahal was built in Agra in memory of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. So this is the image of the great Taj Mahal. This is the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. The next famous emperor of Mughal dynasty is Aurangzeb, Emperor Shah Jahan's sixth son. So Aurangzeb, Emperor Shah Jahan's sixth son, was born on 24th October 1618 in Madhya Pradesh. Dara Sikho, who was the oldest son of Shah Jahan, was resident at Shah Jahan's court as the designated heir. Aurangzeb took his own father prisoner. Soldiers' army was routed in battle, and Murad was lured into a false agreement and taken prisoner. Dara eventually collected together another force, suffered defeat as before, and once again he fled, but soon he was betrayed by one of his allies and handed over to his brother Aurangzeb. So Aurangzeb seated on the peacock throne. A painting from Sirsa 1637 shows the brothers Shah Souza, Aurangzeb and Murad Bakhsh in their younger years. Then the next famous emperor is Bahadur Shah Zafar II. Mirza Abu Jafar Sirajuddin Muhammad Bahadur Shah Zafar, also known as Bahadur Shah Zafar, was born on October 24, 1775 in Delhi. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor and a member of the Timurid dynasty. He was the son of Akbar II and Lal Bai, a Hindu Rajput. He became the Mughal emperor when his father died on 28 September 1837. Following his involvement in the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the British tried and then exiled him from Delhi and sent him to Rangoon in British-controlled Burma. He died on November 7, 1862 at Rangoon. So this was the basic introduction of emperors of Mughal dynasty. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.